Some of you asked for behind-the-scenes look, so here it is. I'm not the best mentor, but I'll dive into some of the technical aspects of our project. Project structure overview. We've created a sub-layout specifically for our authentication pages like login and register. Here's a breakdown of how it all works. The login page is structured and styled, but the logic for handling Google and normal logins isn't complete yet because we already hit 804 lines. The register page is similar to the login page. I built an auth layout component to wrap all the authentication pages, ensuring consistency across our app. Login route contains the logic for logging in. We're working on generating verification tokens to send to unverified users. Register route follows a similar structure to the login route. For the UI and theming, we're using the ShadCN UI theme to wrap our app, providing a cohesive look and feel. The home route includes a header and hero section to welcome users. In the components folder, we've separated UI and basic components for better organization. The data folder helps manage our data smoothly. For hooks, we're primarily using useToast to show toasts. In the lib folder, we have tools for ShadCN and Prisma, along with Prisma input schemas and some types. This is just a sneak peek at the coding part. Creating a single video might seem easy, but it takes hours of coding, design, and video editing. Thanks for your amazing support. See you tomorrow.